How to open a Roth IRA in 10 minutes. Imagine this, you're 25, you've got a few bucks saved, and you want to start building wealth for the future. But the world of investing feels like a maze, confusing terms, endless options, and way too much noise. What if I told you there's a simple, powerful tool that can grow your money tax-free, and you can set it up in less time than it takes to watch a Netflix episode? That tool is a Roth IRA, and today, I'm walking you through exactly how to open one in just 10 minutes, step by step. No jargon, no stress, just a clear plan to kickstart your financial freedom. Welcome to Has to Be Rich, where we make wealth building easy and actionable. Let's jump in. First, let's clear up what a Roth IRA is and why it's such a big deal. A Roth IRA is a retirement account where you invest money you've already paid taxes on. The magic? Your investments grow tax-free, and when you retire, you can withdraw the money without owing a dime to the IRS. Let's break it down. Say you put $1,000 into a Roth IRA today and invest it in a stock market index fund with an average 7% annual return. In 30 years, that $1,000 could grow to $7,600, tax-free. Compare that to a regular savings account, where you'd owe taxes on the gains. My friend Sarah, a barista, opened a Roth IRA with $500 2 years ago. It's now at $650, and she's not paying taxes on that growth. That's the power of a Roth IRA. Why start now? Time is your biggest asset. The earlier you open a Roth IRA, the more your money compounds. If you're 25 and invest $5,000 a year until you're 65, with a 7% return, you could have $1.2 million by retirement, tax-free. Wait until you're 35, and that drops to $600,000. My cousin Jamal waited until he was 30 to start. He's kicking himself now, because his friend Mia, who started at 22, is already ahead by $3,000 with the same contributions. Don't wait, every year counts. Now, let's get to the good stuff, how to open a Roth IRA in 10 minutes. I'm breaking this into 5 simple steps anyone can follow, whether you're a college student with $100 or a young professional with $10,000. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll know exactly what to do and feel confident doing it. Step 1. Check if you're eligible. To open a Roth IRA, you need earned income, like a paycheck from a job or side hustle. In 2025, you can contribute up to $7,000 a year if you're under 50, but only if your income is below $161,000 for singles or $240,000 for married couples. If you're a part-time worker making $20,000 a year, you're good to go. My buddy Carlos, a delivery driver, earns $25,000 and contributes $1,000 a year to his Roth IRA. He's eligible, and so are most people watching this. If you're unsure, check your pay stubs or ask your employer about your income. Takes 2 minutes. Step 2, choose a provider. A Roth IRA is just an account, you need a company to hold it. The best options are online brokers like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. They're low cost, user-friendly, and trusted. Vanguard's my favorite because their fees are dirt cheap, some funds charge as little as 0.04% a year. Fidelity's great for beginners with their slick app. Schwab offers free robo-advisors to help you pick investments. I opened my Roth IRA with Fidelity in 2023. It took me 5 minutes to sign up online. My friend Lisa chose Vanguard because she liked their index funds. Pick one that feels right for you. Go to their website, click Open an Account, and select Roth IRA. This step takes 3 minutes. Step 3, fill out the application. This is easier than signing up for Instagram. You'll need your social security number, bank account details for funding, and basic info like your name and address. You'll also pick a beneficiary, someone who gets the money if something happens to you. I named my sister as my beneficiary. It took 30 seconds. My neighbor Aisha, a nurse, was nervous about this part, but she said it was like filling out an online shopping form. Most brokers have a step-by-step guide on their site. If you hit a snag, their customer service is usually 24/7. This takes about 4 minutes. Step 4, fund your account. Once your Roth IRA is open, transfer money from your bank. You can start with as little as $50, some brokers like Fidelity have no minimum. I started with $200 and added $50 a month. You don't have to max out the $7,000 limit. My cousin Sophia, a teacher, started with $100 and adds $25 a week. Log into your broker's site, link your bank account, and transfer the amount you want. This takes 2 minutes. Pro tip: set up automatic contributions, like $20 a week, so you're investing without thinking. That's how I grew my Roth IRA to $5,000 in 2 years. Step 5. Pick your investments. Your Roth IRA is like an empty bucket, you need to fill it with investments. The easiest choice is a low-cost index fund, like Vanguard's Saks or Fidelity's FTSE, which track the stock market. These funds spread your money across hundreds of companies, reducing risk. I put 80% of my Roth IRA in Saks and 20% in a bond fund for balance. My friend Ethan, a graphic designer, chose a target date fund, which automatically adjusts as you age. Expect to pay a small fee, 0.04% to 0.15% a year for most index funds. Log into your account, search for a fund, and buy it. This takes 3 minutes. If you're stuck, most brokers have a Help Me Choose tool. Let's recap the timing. Eligibility check, 2 minutes. Choose a provider, 3 minutes. Application, 4 minutes. Fund it, 2 minutes. Pick investments, 3 minutes. That's 14 minutes, but with practice, you can do it in 10. My buddy Marcus opened his Roth IRA with Schwab in 8 minutes while eating lunch. You don't need to be a finance geek to pull this off. Let's talk about why this matters. A Roth IRA isn't just an account, it's a wealth building machine. The tax-free growth is huge. If you invest $3,000 a year from age 25 to 65 at 7%, you'll have $600,000, tax-free. That's enough to retire comfortably. My friend Maria, a cashier, started her Roth IRA with $300 last year. It's at $350 now, and she's motivated to add more. She's not rich, but she's building a future. You can too. Here's a real-world example. My cousin Ryan, a mechanic, thought investing was for Wall Street types. He opened a Roth IRA with Fidelity last year with $500. He invested in FTSE, a total market fund. His account's up 8% already, and he's adding $30 a week from his paycheck. He's 27 and on track for $500,000 by 60. He didn't need a big salary, just a plan. Let's pause for a second. I want to hear from you. What's stopping you from opening a Roth IRA? Is it confusion, lack of money, or just not knowing where to start? Drop it in the comments below. I'm reading every one, and your answer might help someone else take the leap. Now, let's address some common worries. First, I don't have enough money. You don't need thousands. Start with $50. My neighbor Lila put $100 in her Roth IRA last month. She's a single mom and still made it work. Second, what if I mess up? You can't lose money opening the account, only if your investments drop, but index funds are low risk over time. Third, isn't it too complicated? If I could do it as a clueless 23-year-old, you can too. My friend Aisha was scared she'd picked the wrong fund. She called Vanguard's helpline, and they walked her through it in 10 minutes. Here's a bonus tip: don't overthink your investments. A simple index fund like Saks or SPY covers the entire US stock market. It's what Warren Buffett recommends for most people. My cousin Jamal started with SPY and hasn't looked back. If you want to diversify, add a bond fund like BND, but keep it simple. Overthinking cost my friend Ethan a year. He waited to learn everything and missed out on $1,000 in gains. Let's talk mistakes to avoid. First, don't leave your Roth IRA empty. An unfunded account earns nothing. Forgot to invest my first $200 for a month, dumb move. Second, don't day trade in your Roth IRA. It's for long-term growth, not quick bets. My buddy Carlos tried trading stocks and lost $300. He switched to index funds and hasn't lost sleep since. Third, don't skip contributions. Even $10 a week adds up. My friend Sophia missed a year of contributions and regrets it. Her account could have been $2,000 bigger. Why is this urgent? In 2025, the stock market's volatile, and inflation's at 4.2%. A Roth IRA shields your gains from taxes and grows your wealth faster than a savings account. The average savings account pays 0.5% interest. Your money's basically shrinking. My neighbor Marcus moved $1,000 from his bank to a Roth IRA last year. It's at $1,080 now, while his bank account would have given him $5. Time's ticking, start today. Here's your action plan: pick one broker, Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. Go to their website tonight and click Open Roth IRA. Follow the steps I gave you. Start with whatever you can, $50, $100, $500. Invest in a simple index fund. Set up a $20 weekly transfer. My friend Lila did this in 12 minutes after watching a YouTube video. You're watching this, so you're already halfway there. This isn't financial advice, always consult a professional before investing. This is a practical guide to show you how easy it is to start. Opening a Roth IRA isn't about getting rich quick, it's about building wealth smart. You don't need to be a millionaire to begin, you just need to take the first step. If this video helped you see how simple it is, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for daily tips on building wealth. Want more? Check out my next video, 5 money mistakes to avoid in 2025, in the description below. Let's grow your money together. This has to be rich, and I'll see you in the next one.